Whooping cough is back in the news. Here's information you can use.
Pertussis, or whooping cough, is a serious respiratory illness that can affect people of all ages, but can cause serious illness and complications. It's also important to note that pertussis is a vaccine-preventable disease. Pertussis usually starts just like a cold. So runny nose, sneezing, and just an irritating cough that gradually becomes more frequent and more severe. The cough then persists and continues to the point where it can cause gagging, vomiting, and sometimes difficulty breathing. In children, the coughing is often followed by a loud whoop sound when they breathe in, leading to its more common name of whooping cough. So when you have a lingering cough, or if you're severely ill, then we would recommend you see your healthcare provider. Whooping cough is spread from person to person just like the common cold or the flu is. So if someone near you is coughing, sneezing, and you breathe in those droplets that contain the bacteria, that's how you would get sick. Sometimes the bacteria can then also go on objects. You can touch those objects and then touch your nose or mouth, and you could also become sick that way. To help reduce the risk of many diseases, including pertussis, we should remember to wash our hands frequently and use hand sanitizer. Most people in Ontario are vaccinated against pertussis with vaccines given in early childhood. For several years now, a booster shot which provides protection against pertussis is offered to teens. Whooping cough has been added to the regular tetanus diphtheria booster vaccine adults receive every 10 years. So it's important to speak with your healthcare provider to see when you are due for your next booster so that you can get vaccinated for pertussis.